Hello guys, today we are making this super easy salmon rice balls. The ingredients are easily available in your market and this is very simple to make. First, you have to fry the salmon and cook them 5 minutes both sides, and you add the mayo, mix them together with the salmon, and go ahead and add in the 2 cups of sushi rice and season it with the rice seasoning. And I have here, I got the seaweed snack from Costco. You can use anything or you can skip this if you want. But I like to coat my salmon with the shredded seaweed snack. And then go ahead and form your salmon into balls. But first, you have to make sure that you coat your hands with oil in order for the rice not to stick. And then you go ahead and roll the rice balls in the seaweed snacks and make sure that it coats all throughout. Enjoy!